Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my new story. Today is a very busy day. Mom needs to go to the supermarket. It is time to buy food for the whole week. Usually, I bring my best friend, Mr. Bear, with me. But today, Mom said the supermarket is too crowded, so I have to make a hard decision. I look at Mr. Bear. He is sitting on my bed. I tell him to stay home and wait for me. I feel a little sad to leave him behind, but I am a big girl now. I can help Mom by myself. I put on my favorite shoes. I tie the laces carefully. I am ready for the mission. The car ride is short. We arrive at the big supermarket. From the outside, it looks like a giant castle. There are so many cars in the parking lot. Red cars, blue cars, white cars. Mom holds my hand. We walk toward the entrance. I love the doors here. They are magic doors. When I walk close to them, they slide open. Whoosh! Inside, the air is cold and fresh. It smells like baking bread and sweet fruit. The lights are very bright. They shine down from the high ceiling. Mom takes a shopping cart. It is made of metal and has 4 wheels. I hold on to the side of the cart. The metal feels cold on my fingers. We have a long list of things to buy. First, we go to the fruit section. The colors are beautiful. Red apples, yellow bananas, orange carrots. Mom picks the best apples. I help her put them into a plastic bag. Then we move to the cereal aisle. This is my favorite place. There are so many boxes with colorful pictures. I see my favorite cereal on the shelf. I place it gently into the cart. The cart is getting full. We walk to the next aisle. Suddenly, something catches my eye. To my right, there is a wall of toys. And there, sitting on a shelf, is the most beautiful doll I have ever seen. She has long golden hair and a sparkling blue dress. I touch her dress. It is soft and shiny. I think about how much Mr. Bear would like to meet her. I am so focused on the doll that I forget everything else. I forget about the shopping list. I forget about the cart. After a moment, I turn around to show the doll to Mom. I open my mouth to speak, but no one is there. The shopping cart is gone. Mom is gone. I look down the long aisle. It is empty. My smile disappears. My heart skips a beat. I walk quickly to the end of the row. I look left. I look right. All I see are strangers. Strange faces, strange voices. Suddenly, the supermarket feels too big. The bright lights hurt my eyes. The cold air makes me shiver. I want to hold Mr. Bear, but he's at home. I try to be brave, but my chin starts to tremble. I am lost. I am all alone in this giant place. I ran until my legs were tired. Now I am in a different part of the supermarket. It is the freezer aisle. There are rows and rows of glass doors. Inside the glass, everything is frozen. Ice cream, pizza, frozen peas. The air here is much colder. Brr. I can see my breath in the air. It looks like a little cloud. I am wearing my summer dress. It is not warm enough. I wrap my arms around myself. I try to give myself a hug. This is when I miss Mr. Bear the most. I feel very small between these tall, cold glass walls. I need to be brave. I need to find a way out. I remembered Mom's rule. If you are lost, do not run. Stay still. So I stand very still next to the shelf. Tears roll down my cheeks. They feel hot. Then I see a man in a blue uniform. He looks like a police officer, but he works here. He is a security guard. I wipe my tears and walk toward him. He takes me to the front desk. I hear a loud voice on the speakers calling my mom's name. Waiting feels like a long time, but then I hear running footsteps. It is Mom. She looks worried, but when she sees me, she cries tears of joy. She picks me up and hugs me tighter than ever before. She smells like safety. She smells like home. We leave the supermarket. We drive home. I am happy to be home. Good night, everyone.